Yeah, I've got my coffee, guys. My favourite place here. This is my little secret hideout. We've been here a couple of times. I've done a couple of videos here. It's called Trinity Buoy Wharf. And I'm just looking at this ship there. They're robbing, and they are fixing the patches on the side of the body. I don't know if they're going to take the plate. The actual, it looks like big plates have been riveted in. But I think they're just going to put patches on there, because I think that'd be a big job taking these big plates off and rivet. There's quite a lot of rivets there. You know, so look, looks absolutely awesome. It's got new paint over there. Looks like that section there is finished. It's all nice and shiny. It's just this part here at the front. You can actually go down there, the steps, and actually touch it and feel it, I suppose. I don't know if they allow you, but it is awesome. And Lucy's over there having a good old sniff around. I don't know if this can do 2x zoom. I don't know. Can it? No. Yeah, she's over there. Yeah, earlier on we were over that side. But this is a really funky. I love it. It's got all of ironworks, iron art, sort of art. And yeah, so we've jumped on a bicycle again. Love my bicycle. My little freedom. Lucy loves it as well. She loves riding on there. Put her in a basket here. She absolutely loves it. What a beautiful day. You've got all the chair lifts over there going in towards the Blackwall Tunnel that side, and you've got Silvertown that side. That's Greenwich that side. Yeah. Anyway, catch you in a bit.